Hey there, and welcome to another edition of eRank, performing listing critiques for sellers just like you. Let's dive right into it and see how we can help this one seller optimize their listing better for Etsy SEO. Here we are at the listing. This is the listing that they requested that one of us look at. If you have a listing that you would like a member of the eRank team to take a look at, I'll tell you how to submit your own request later on. For now, let's just focus on this listing. So this looks like it is a pot or planter, any size or color, minimalist pot, unique planter, quality planter, cloth style pot, silk pot, plant succulents, homemade pot. That's a mouthful. So right off the bat, I'm going to say that your title is very keyword stuffed. You have a lot of repetition in here and a lot of very short phrases, short keywords. I would try to blend them together a little more so that it has a more natural sound. So instead of having, instead of having unique planter, quality planter, you could say unique quality planter. Or just for pot/planter, you already have pot and planter in here multiple times. So you do not need that at the front. I thought this was actual silk, but I think you print it. Oh my gosh, it is. So this is 3D printed to look like silk. That's very cool. I have to say that is really, really neat. I do like how you have different colors shown. I would love to see it. It looks like a mock-up, and which I'm assuming it is, and you've just changed the colors out. I would love to see a little more variation between your photos. Maybe a picture of like what it looks like on the underside. So you have the side and inside and a semi-blurry corner shot. But I definitely would want to see from all angles. You don't have a video in here. So if you can get a video of you holding one, rotating it, showing the inside, the outside, the underneath, to just really set clear buyer expectations, I think that might be helpful. If you have it looks like you do have a 3D printed shop. So one thing you could do is you could take a video of maybe your printer's printing something or you designing something or a combination of the two, along with a couple of your finished products, just to have a video in there. And then you could use that video across multiple listings. Just a thought. But I got very distracted here. So I'm going to go back to the title now because now I understand that it is 3D printed and it is not actually silk. So I would not say silk pot. I might say 3D printed, unique, minimalist planter or something like that. Cloth or imitation silk cloth style for indoor or outdoor plants. Something more along those lines. You want to have it be phrases that buyers are going to be able to understand when they read this. I think that you could break up this description a little bit, maybe put extra space between some of these paragraphs here and here. But you do have a lot of good keywords in here for what Etsy uses descriptions for, which is that personalization part of ranking. So you have a lot of like the aesthetic kind of keywords in here, which is good. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the eRank shortcut button, and that is going to bring me directly to a listing audit for this listing. The listing audit has loaded, so here we are. This is going to show us how well this listing best fits Etsy's best practices. And it's also going to give us some things such as listing metrics. It's going to show us the tags and other little fun things. So we have the listing metrics right up here at the top. This listing is only 3 days old, so it doesn't really have a whole lot. It doesn't have any favorites yet. It's got a handful of views, which is good. 7 views per day for the first few days is actually really good. So that's good. I think that your tags definitely need some work here. There's a lot of typos. It looks like you're just putting spaces in between all of the letters in the word plants and planter. I don't know why they're like this, but you should just have the word, you already have pot, pots, potting. So you don't need pot here, you don't need pot here. I would definitely go in and fix these tags. So we should avoid one word tags, and we should avoid spelling errors within our tags. So I would definitely take some time to go in here and get some more keywords in here, like indoor houseplant or plant lover gift or 3D printed planter, or just some more phrases and keywords that buyers are searching for. Because right now, none of your tags have any search volume, probably because there's a lot of misspellings in here. So, yeah, definitely take a look at your tags for this listing. It also looks like you don't have any attributes added. I'm not sure exactly which attributes are available for a listing like this, but any relevant ones, you would want to make sure that you fill them in. And then you have this miscategorized. So right now it's listed as, it's categorized as if you're actually selling a 3D printer, which is not what you are selling. So I would go in there and change it to whatever the category would be for, like a garden accessory or a planter or a plant accessory, because right now Etsy thinks that this listing is for a 3D printer, which is incorrect. If you're running low on ideas, you could use something like our AI listing helper, which is under listing optimization. So we'll just go in here and we'll just do a quick little search and see what the AI can come up with. So we'll say 3D printed houseplant pot, and we'll see. Whenever you use the AI listing helper, you want to make sure that you do your own research. These are just ideas for how to jumpstart when you get a little bit of writer's block or you're not exactly sure how to describe something. So I typed in 3D printed houseplant pot, and it came up with some title ideas, a little bit of some description ideas, and then it's got tags. So we have plant lover, botanical decor, 3D printed pot, decorative planter, indoor garden. I feel like a lot of these are applicable to what your listing is, but you would, again, go in, do a little more keyword research on your own, and see what other keywords are out there that you could use for your listing. I hope that this was helpful and it gave you some insights into how you can improve your own listing. If you are not this seller and you are interested in having a member of our team perform a listing critique for you, you can do so via the eRank subreddit, which is eRank community. Every Sunday, we post a critique thread where sellers just like you are able to request critiques. We offer text ones or video ones such as this. We hope that this was helpful. Best of luck on your Etsy journey.